In this video, I will show you how to download and install Tor browser in Windows 11. If you want to download and install Tor browser without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any web browser for downloading Tor browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, here you have to search Tor browser download. Then press enter. When you search Tor browser download and press enter, here you'll find Tor project. Download Tor browser. Click this link. When you click this link, here you will reach Tor donate now. Download for Windows, download for Mac OS, download for Linux, download for Android. Here I am downloading for Windows. Simply click download for Windows button. When you click download for Windows, you have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, then click save and our file is downloading. Here we have to wait until this process is continuing. Next we will install it. Here you can see we have just downloaded Tor browser. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here you can see our Tor browser is present. For installing it, right click on it, then click open. After clicking open, you have to choose language. Here I am choosing English language. Then click OK. After clicking OK, you have to click install. And our Tor browser is installing. We have to wait for some time. Then we will use it. Here you can see we have just downloaded and installed Tor browser. You have to tick this option and tick this option. After you have to click finish. And here you can see our Tor browser has started. Now we can use Tor browser without any error. I hope this video help you. If you have any query related to download and install, ask in comment box.